I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you've accidentally deleted a post on LinkedIn, don't worry, there are ways to potentially recover it. Here is how to go about it. Step 1. Check your activity log. Navigate to your profile and click on the activity section. This log shows all your recent interactions, including posts you've deleted. Step 2. Look for archived posts. In the activities section, switch to the Posts tab. Here, you might find your deleted posts listed as archived depending on LinkedIn's policies. Step 3. Use LinkedIn support. If you can't find your posts, visit the LinkedIn Help Center. Submit a request for assistance in recovering deleted content. Step 4. Check email notifications. Sometimes, LinkedIn sends email notifications for your posts. Search your email for the post title or keywords to find the original content. Step 5. Recreate the posts. If recovery isn't possible, consider recreating the post. Use any saved drafts or notes you may have. This is a good time to refine your message. If you follow these steps, you might just get your post back or at least recreate it effectively. Good luck and happy networking.